Hello, this is Jammal Adio Anibaba. Today's item is gonna be about Arinfin Odo ni. Odò tí ò mú ni lórúnkún tó lóhùn ó gbé nìyí lọ. Arinfin Odo ni. It's one of the Yoruba talking drum lines. And then sometimes when they beat that, then they will follow it up with Aralamo Aomonu Aomonu won Aralamo. Arinfin Odo. Meaning someone who doesn't amount to much is talking about it's gonna really hurt you. No, it ain't happening. Udu is a stream that does not at all, doesn't amount to the height of your knee and is threatening, is gonna wash you away. Or it's gonna drown you. No, it's not gonna happen. It has to be a real legitimate threat for you to be dangerous. But that one is not a real legitimate threat. It's just a bluff. And don't forget your do re mi. Ọmọ ní bàbá Arinfin Odo ni odò tí ò mú ni lórúnkún ó gbé nìyí lọ. Arinfin Odo ni. You guys remain blessed. Peace out.